When it comes to choosing a web hosting provider in 2025, Namecheap is still a major player in the budget hosting market. In this review, I'll walk you through my full experience with Namecheap hosting, including how easy it is to get started, how their dashboard functions, and whether their performance lives up to the promises they make on their website. The setup process is smooth. Registering a domain and launching a hosting plan took less than 15 minutes. The dashboard is relatively clean and intuitive, although some settings and advanced tools are hidden deeper in the menus than I prefer. Once you're inside the cPanel, you'll find all the usual features, but Namecheap adds some branded touches that make certain tasks like SSL installation or WordPress setup more straightforward. On the performance side, things are a bit mixed. For basic websites and small blogs, Namecheap handles traffic decently. But under load, I noticed a drop in response times. Uptime is solid most of the time, but during peak periods, there were brief outages or slowdowns, particularly on the shared hosting plans. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer support is where Namecheap deserves credit. Their live chat support is responsive and helpful, with most agents providing accurate technical solutions within minutes. However, not all representatives are equally skilled. Occasionally, you'll get someone who seems to rely heavily on scripted responses. Price-wise, Namecheap is affordable, especially in the first year. Renewal rates, though, can be surprisingly higher, so it's important to read the fine print and plan accordingly. Features like free domain for the first year, privacy protection, and basic security tools are nice additions. But advanced users might find the lack of staging environments or integrated backups limiting unless they upgrade. The built-in tools for WordPress are decent, but don't compare to platforms like Cloudways or managed hosting solutions. If you're just starting out, it's good enough, but for scaling projects or business sites, you may hit the platform's limitations sooner than expected. In terms of value, Namecheap strikes a balance between cost and functionality. It's not the fastest or most feature-rich, but it's consistent, beginner-friendly, and rarely overwhelming. If you're after a no-fuss solution to get a personal blog or small project online, it's a good place to start. For developers or e-commerce sites, there are better options. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more real user reviews just like this.